Alisha Basnett. I come from Sikkim. I came here for my treatment for my uterine fibroid, which was there and it was growing and it was not treatable in my place. So I came here to Hyderabad and got treated under Dr. Sarada M. And she, I think, is one of the most lovely doctor that I've met so far. She is very helpful, very approachable, and being treated under her, I think I'm quite fortunate. And coming here at the Yashoda and being treated and being coordinated by Rahul, it was so smooth to be here, and the nurses were very friendly. And now that I've been treated and my surgery has been done, I'm getting better day by day. And talking to doctor, like even after the recovery process, it's been very smooth and very friendly environment out here. In this hospital, everything was so coordinated, everything went so smooth. It was very hassle-free to come here and to get treated, because we are from a new place, and coming from a new place, I was quite scared. Maybe I won't be able to coordinate, maybe I won't be getting the doctor's appointment. But everything was so smooth and handled in such a nice way. I didn't feel like I was in a new place. I felt like I've been here before, and people were very supportive. And Dr. Sarada, she is very approachable. That's the best thing about the treatment. And even like being with Rahul out here, Rahul had being a coordinator, he helped us a lot to get the appointment, to run here and there. And me being a patient, after the surgery, I was not able to walk properly. I was not able to, to talk to people, but still the nurses were coming to me. They were asking me how I am, if I need any help. The food out here, well, as an inpatient, was also very good. I think it has been one of the best services I've ever received from a hospital.